Hello and welcome na come this ogbonge news for Procyon radio and television. My name na Michael Praise. The Joint Admission and Matriculation Board don talk say dem go punish one Ejikeme Mmesioma wey increase her Jamb score from 249 to 362 for this 2023 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination as she come dey make people feel say na she score pass everybody. Jamb come say for 3 years she no go fit write their exam. Jamb also catch one Atong Gerard from Kaduna State wey no even write the exam but come dey claim say he score 380. Na wow. Federal Capital Territory Administration don announce the disease wey dem call diphtheria for Abuja. Dem say the disease don kill one 4-year-old pikin. Dr. Sadiq Abdulrahman, wey be the Director of Public Health, don talk say make people take the necessary vaccine so that make the disease no spray go affect other people. He say the disease dey affect nose and throat. Tinubu tell new service chief for their first meeting say work dey plenty wey dem go do. For the meeting wey happen for State House, Tinubu don tell service chief make dem work as a team. Say make dem know say plenty work dey for their hand to do. He talk this thing when he meet new National Security Adviser Nuhu Ribado and new service chief for the first time since their appointment on June 19, 2023. The NSA tell State House correspondents say the president dey assure the service chief of him support during their work. For sports today, Manchester United don agree personal term with Florentina midfielder SOFYAN AMRABAT for a potential move wey go bring am come Old Trafford. The 26-year-old defensive midfielder shine for Morocco during the World Cup. That is why Manchester don go buy am. And with that, we don come to the end of the news wey we bring come una way from Procyon radio and television. My name na Michael Praise. Until next time, make una dey shine like the star wey una be. Thank you.